Hi, welcome to another video. It has been a long time I didn't make any video for YouTube. So this is not a typical programming video where I teach you how to code. This is a totally different video. I have been making video on YouTube since 2018, and since then I was always planning to make this video at the end of the year so I can inspire people in their journey. Now is the time, and every year when I plan to make the video I cannot make it. I think that is what happened to most of us. To be honest, I have no plan what to name this video and what title should I put on this video, because it is very important. 2020 is done and it was a bad starting for the new decade for most of us, but it taught us many things. Like every other year that teaches something, 2020 was the same and it was more difficult, and it taught us many other things. The lesson you get from 2020 can be different person to person. In short, I can say it taught us that life is too short and anything can possibly happen at any time. When we watch any Hollywood movies, we always think, oh, that is just a movie and that cannot be real. But 2020 showed us anything could be possible, even the things that we see in the movie. So it passed and we are almost done with 2020. So I want to make this video short and concise. So what I am going to talk in this video is about the New Year resolution and the New Year plan we have. From the childhood, I remember when the New Year is starting, we have a lot of plan we put together and we want to do something. We want to learn a new skill, we want to learn a new language. And as we grew and we start our career, in the starting of every year, we have a lot of plan. We want to get fit, we want to go to the gym, we want to get closer to God, we want to learn new language, we want to build that app, we want to build that website, many other plans that we have, but most of it we cannot do. Or like me, I always want to make more video on YouTube, but I cannot achieve all of them at the end of the year because I put a lot of plan over each other and I cannot achieve all of them. So I want to tell you, life is too short to be unhappy for the temporary situation that happen in our life. So like every other year, you are going to plan 2021 and you want to put a lot of to-dos in 2021 that you want to achieve. I want to tell you why you put it for 2021. Why not you start now? It is always the same day. 2021 is going to be the same. If you are planning to start it in 2021, it is going to be like 2019, 2018 or previous year. Why not starting now? The other thing I wanted to tell you is stop talking about your goals. I have always told people, if you want to do something, just go and do it. Stop talking about it. When you start talking about your goal, something happen in your brain and it feels like you have already done 50% of it, and then slowly you stop doing it. I know, as a programmer it happens a lot. We start a big idea with an app and we never finish it. At some point in development of that idea, we start giving up. Why? Because we share it with other people. We talk more than what we have to do about it. So that is all I wanted to tell you in 2021. If you have a goal, start it now. Do not wait for 2021 to start. You can start it in Christmas. Most of us like celebrate Christmas, but most of us do not do it, and we already have a lot of time to start. And that is what I encourage you to do. Stop talking about the big idea that you have in your mind. Work for it for a few months, a few years, maybe thinking a long term. It is the starting of the century, and I don't want to tell you that, hey, you have to be successful in the next 2 years. That is the wrongest thing you have to do. You know, the past 2 years went so quickly that we didn't even understood like how short was that, like 2 years ago, and it passed. That's why I always tell people, stop thinking in short term and start thinking in long term. Think of the next 5 years or the next 10 years, what you want to achieve, and then start working on it every single day. Not every day is a good day. Some day you have motivation, some day you don't. It is totally fine. It happens in everybody's life. The only thing you have to know is you should never stop. Make a lot of mistakes. Go to different route and you will find out. You don't have to be always right. If 99% of the time you are wrong, you have to be only 1% right. That's why I tell people, always try new things and make more mistakes until you find out. And my plan for 2021 will be, wait, I shouldn't share my plan with you guys. I just have to do it. Whatever I have in my mind, I have to show it to people. If I am making more videos, I have to make more videos. Like, why should you tell people, hey, this is New Year, I'm going to make this many videos or this much? If you do it at the end of the year, you can say, okay, that was in my mind and I have completed it. If you have any plan for 2021, I encourage you to start it now. Do not wait for 2021 to start, because even if you wait for that time, I'm sure you will not do it. So that's it. I hope this video has been informative. I am glad that I could make this video at the end of this year. I know it has not been a good year for most of us. I hope 2021 will be better for all of us, and all of us will live in peace, and all of us will achieve the goals we have in our life. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.